Well, I was back here the other day when they started cutting and logging, and I found these mushrooms popped up. And I thought they were chicken of the woods, and I believe that's what they are. And they're really looking pretty now. And they're growing really well. I'll let them get a little bit bigger. But these are really fresh. Might come tomorrow and pick these. I finally got to see them before and after, and we'll get another video of them. But these mushrooms live up to their name. I just love these mushrooms. They're better than morels sometimes. I still love morels also. But they really are pretty in the woods. Right by this big rock. There's a big old hole in it. It's kind of weird. The water must have done it. Let's run down and just, looks like it just keeps chewing away at it. Sandstone. Even the plant life grows on the rock. I don't know what kind of weeds these are. I have seen them grow in the field. I'll have to go check it out. Moss is growing all over this rock. It's a really pretty rock. I like to carve things, so I'd love to carve my name in it. Pretty neat old rock. I just wonder the way it's shaped, if this is where they used to get sandstone blocks. If you go down in the woods, I'll show you that later down the road, but the old foundations, they're all got sandstone foundations. No wood left, it's all rotted and fell down. Might be some clay bricks from where the chimney was. We'll have to do some archaeological digging here. Chicken of the woods. I got to see them just as they was popping up, and this is one day later, and this is what they look like. Exactly one day later. And it looks like they're still growing. I wonder if that's the fungi that just started right there. This little one right here. You can see these coming up. We'll come back and see if they start forming. If they do, we'll just let these keep growing. They'll get real big. This is going to be a pretty log. I'll see if we can get a picture of the underneath side here and see what the underneath looks like. You can see the moisture. That's what the underneath of the chicken of the woods look like. So this must be an oak stump because they usually grow just on oaks. There's one starting right there. Here's another one starting. That's kind of what they look like when they start. And this is what they do when they start growing. It's really something else. It's kind of growing right around this tree here. Heck, this looks like hazelnut here. Yeah, this is hazelnut. Hazelnut bush. Chicken of the woods. Seen them the other day and I'm really excited. They're summer mushroom. The tree uprooted. We seem to have a lot of that problem down here. They get so big and they just topple over. I guess that's just nature's way, so we can grow mushrooms. It's really nice. Hope everyone's having a beautiful day. It's just a wonderful day. Peace.